I am about to take you on a taste bud adventure. That's right, we're making red velvet pancake cake. Zola,
hello.
like who needs dessert when you can incorporate dessert into breakfast?
Exactly.
Hey, so fantastic.
It's an amazing concept.
It looks so good.
Okay.
So what do we need for our red velvet pancake cake?
For pancakes, I'm sure you'll know by now that you start by mixing the dry ingredients. This is some cake flour.
Okay.
And of course, because it's red velvet, some cocoa powder.
Oh, lovely.
So those are our dry ingredients, simple as that.
Yes.
Then our wet ingredients, we've got an egg,
Okay.
a bit of milk, a bit of oil.
Oil.
And then for that red velvet color, you use red food coloring. You can use there's a food coloring that's called red velvet cake.
Oh, wow.
So you can use that, or you can use regular wet food coloring.
Okay.
Or you could use this gel coloring, but tread carefully because
You don't want to use a lot of it, I'm
Yeah,
sure,
it doesn't
because
take-
it's quite potent.
it doesn't take very much to give us
Okay.
the vivid color. Okay, so mix wet ingredients.
Nice.
Oh, oopsie.
There we go.
Color.
Coming out nicely
It
there.
is. It's already beautiful and pink.
Yeah.
And of course, do you know that the original red velvet had no food coloring in it? It's that Dutch processed cocoa powder that has a red
Oh.
color when it's mixed with an
serious?
acid such as buttermilk or cream of tartar. So that's
Yeah.
where the actual color comes from.
Did I hear once that people put beetroot in there as well?
They do. Some
Beetroot
people do
juice?
for like a natural color.
Okay.
Okay. So you whisk this together.
Oh wow, it's so beautiful and chocolatey,
Isn't
and,
it?
and
And
that
red
bright
velvety.
red color. It's lovely.
Okay. So I'm gonna leave the pancake making to you for now.
Okay.
So you're gonna put a ladle in there, swirl it around,
Ledley.
and then make us a pancake.
Okay.
Okay.
Just because I did that perfect flip, now everybody wants me to
Yeah,
just
now
do
we
it
all.
again.
You're the pancake queen officially.
Oh Lord.
So
have
you maybe
mercy.
use the back of your ladle as well to help
Okay,
spread
just
it
to
a little
spread
bit.
it.
There you go.
Okay.
Because you do want these a little more robust because we're layering them and forming a cake out of them. Okay.
Now you see, this is the reason why I said I need to try 10 times or so. You're not using this. Is mine one it?
Yes, that's it. That's it.
Oh,
yeah, pressure.
they aren't like others that were prepared.
No, no,
because
no,
it does not look
Yours
good.
is the one. Okay, so here we have the cream cheese frosting, which is classic with the red velvet. So we've got cream cheese that's softened, butter that's softened.
Okay.
And then just mix that together. And then a bit of vanilla is always nice.
Lovely.
And then basically you beat this up, use a machine if you want to speed up the process.
But if you're like Zella, who just likes to mix it herself,
Your arm is the machine, exactly.
Go
okay,
for
and then
it.
also for our
Smells
layer in there, we've got some fresh strawberries
Yeah.
that we cook together with a bit of strawberry jam and a bit of corn flour.
Okay.
And that becomes another layer in our...
Lovely.
Okay, are you ready to flip?
I think so. Okay, let's just loosen. I told you it doesn't look beautiful, but woo! Hey, she's
Okay,
broken just a tad, but she still
she'll
tastes
still
good.
tastes fantastic. Okay, so
Okay.
let's skip that then.
Oh, you gotta give me like 10 tries. for
Here
this
is our
now.
ready cake. So basically you layer a pancake and then a bit of the cream cheese frosting and then another pancake and then the strawberry and then a pancake until you get to the top and then you douse it with loads and loads of icing sugar.
Yum.
Because it's a cake. I mean, you have to top a cake with a bit of icing sugar.
Looks
A bit
beautiful.
of snow on a cake makes it, okay? And then we're ready to cut a slice.
Yay!
You get a prize even though your pancake was a
My pancake has a hole in the middle. All right, if you would like the recipe for our red velvet pancake cake, all you have to do is SMS the word cake to 33728. We'll send you your pick and pay shopping list and the link to the recipe, and you could be making this yourself. Oh, look how
Oh, gosh.
gorgeous that looks.
Look at that.
Let me remove that. Shall I bring it closer for
Thank
you?
you, thank you.
Ah, look at all the
Yeah.
layers, how
Look at that.
beautifully stunning and festive it looks.
Beautiful
Absolutely amazing. We've got strawberries in there, we've got the cream cheese in there, and of course the beautiful pancake layers. Gorgeous. Should we
Good.
taste?
Yeah, please.
Okay, wonderful. You can taste my pancake.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Give it a rating out of 10.
A 0.
Hey, you couldn't even be nice. Well, anyways, we'll take a break while I drown my sorrows with this. Tough job. Somebody's got to do it. We'll see you right back after the break. Yeah, that's mean, eh?
Goodness can be found in encouraging greatness at the Junior Runners Academy in Soweto. Pick and Pay, always there for you.